Welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a review on Apollo IO. Now if you're tired of email outreach that feels like shouting into the void, then you need a tool that does more than send emails. You actually need one that finds the right people, crafts the perfect message, and gets your result. Apollo IO promises to be that tool, but we're gonna find out if it actually lives up to the hype. We're going to take a look at its features, pricing, and overall effectiveness to help you decide if it's the right fit for your sales and marketing efforts. So if you're ready to boost your email outreach result, let's look at Apollo AI. So let's get started. It's not just another email platform, it is like a sales team's secret weapon. It combines sales intelligence, sales engagement, and powerful email tools into one platform. This means you can find a perfect contact, craft personalized messages, and automate your outreach all in one place. Apollo Email is designed to make life easier for both sales team and sales and marketing teams. It helps you connect with more prospects and close more deals. So who created it? Is Apollo IO is the company behind Apollo Email, which was created in 2015 by Tim Zhang and Ray Lee. So let's move on to the benefits of it. But before we go, as you can see from the homepage here, we have to sign up for free. So you can sign up with our work email, or you can sign up using Google or Microsoft. So this is our work email. So once we're through with that, click on sign up for free. Okay, we have to sign up with a corporate domain or use the Google Microsoft option. Okay, let's see if we can sign up with Google instead. So we have to put in the password. Click on next. Okay. We have to put in the email password actually. So put in the email next, we click on next. Click on continue. And here we are. This is the home page. So I'm going to choose the one that best describes us. Now the features are accurate data guaranteed, streamlined sales processes, powerful automation tools, sales enablement as the best, advanced features for power users, Apollo Chrome extension. Let's look at the features. So as for the features, we have the best features are contact account search, help you find the right contacts in the foundation of successful outreach. The search engine lets you pinpoint ideal prospects based on industry, location, job title, and more. It's like having a sales detective on your team uncovering hidden opportunities. Then it also has a second feature of scores and signals. Now under here, with no waste time on cold leads, Apollo scoring system helps you prioritize the hottest prospects, while its real-time signals allows you to trigger events like funding rounds or new hires, giving you the perfect opening for a conversation. They also have inbound optimization. Under inbound optimization, Apollo email isn't just about outbound outreach. It also helps you capture and nurture inbound leads. With website tracking and form enrichment, you can gain valuable insights into your visitors and automatically qualify them for your sales team. So under sales engagement, Apollo sales engagement tools help you streamline your outreach and build relationship at scale. You can create personalized email sequence, automate follow-ups, and even make calls directly from the platform. It's like having a whole sales team working around the clock. They also have the analytics. You know what they say about knowledge being power. So Apollo Detailed Analytics dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of your outreach performance. For you to see it better, you have to upgrade to professional. So here you can track open rates, click-through rates, response rates, and more. So you can fine-tune your strategy and get the most out of every campaign. And let's look at pricing. Now under pricing, we have the free plan. These are the plans. So we have the free plan where you can explore the Apollo platform to find leads, manage pipelines, and close deals. This is what you get under it. Then you also have the basic plan. You pay $49. It helps for taking prospective outreach and deal management to the next level. You pay $49 per user per month and it is billed annually. So this is what you get under it. The next we have professional account where you pay $79 per user per month billed annually. So this is everything you get under it. Lastly, we have the organization plan where you can transform go-to-market with advanced tools, custom solution, and expert help. Pay $119 per user per month, minimum of 3 users, billed annually. So everything you can get under it. So that's it. Now let's look at the pros and cons of this Apollo email. Now the pros and cons. As we all know, all tools are not perfect, so let's weigh the good and the bad to decide. Under the good, we have accurate data, automation, all-in-one, Chrome extension, and analytics. But under the cons, we have touch and learning. As you can see, it's not an easy thing to understand. Before we get to the plan, it's so high for us, so it has a learning curve and occasional glitches. But if Apollo email isn't the right fit for you, there are other options on the market like Zoom Info, Outreach, SalesLoft, and HubSpot Sales Hub. So the best alternative will simply depend on your specific needs and budget. So explore them to find the perfect fit for your team. Now let's look at my final thoughts. My final thoughts is that Apollo email is a powerful tool that can supercharge your sales and marketing efforts. It also offers accurate data, automation, and the suite of sales engagement features to help you connect with more prospects and close more deals. While there's a learning curve and the price might be a factor, as you can see, the price is actually much. The benefits outweigh the drawbacks for many businesses. If you're looking to take your outreach to the next level, Apollo email is worth serious consideration. So give it a try and see how it transforms your sales process. You might be surprised at the result. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.